Welcome to Tech Monetize Official, your trusted source for insights on technology, finance, and the future of money. Today, we're talking about silver, not just as a material for beautiful jewelry or collectible coins, but as a powerful force that could shape your financial future in ways you might not expect. Silver is more than a shiny metal. It's a critical part of our modern world, playing a vital role in everything from electronics to renewable energy. For thousands of years, silver has been a store of value and a symbol of wealth, treasured by ancient civilizations and modern investors alike. But now, it's also an essential industrial commodity, used in everything from solar panels to smartphones, making it uniquely positioned for today's rapidly changing economy. The choices you make about where to put your money matter more than ever, especially as the world faces economic uncertainty and shifting markets. We'll break down what silver is, why it's vital, and how it connects to your daily life, often in ways you might not even realize. We'll explore the supply and demand forces shaping the market, the global trends driving silver's value, and why many experts see silver as a huge opportunity for growth. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about being smart, informed, and prepared for economic shifts that are already underway. With inflation rising and a global push for green technology, silver is at the center of it all, bridging the gap between traditional wealth and the innovations of tomorrow. So, stay tuned as we uncover why a silver boom could be just around the corner, and what that could mean for you as an investor or someone planning for the future. If you haven't already, subscribe to Tech Monetize Official for more expert insights and timely updates. Let's dive in together and empower your financial future with knowledge, strategy, and a fresh perspective on silver. You'll be glad you did. Let's get started. What is silver? At first glance, it might just look like a shiny metal, but there's so much more to it than meets the eye. It's a precious metal with a legacy stretching back over 6,000 years, woven into the fabric of human civilization. From the earliest coins to ornate artifacts, silver has played a starring role in our history. Silver has always been a symbol of wealth and a trusted store of value, especially in times of uncertainty. Empires have risen and fallen, but silver's reputation as a safe haven has endured. But silver's story doesn't end with coins and jewelry. Its journey continues far beyond the vaults and display cases. It's both a monetary metal and a vital industrial resource, bridging the worlds of finance and technology. As a hedge against inflation and economic turmoil, people buy silver to protect their wealth. It's a tangible asset you can hold in your hand, not just numbers on a screen. Unlike paper money, you can't just print more silver. Its supply is limited by nature, making it a rare and valuable commodity. But here's what makes silver truly unique: its industrial side. Silver isn't just for saving, it's for building the future. Silver is the most electrically and thermally conductive metal, making it irreplaceable in modern technology. No other metal can match its performance in critical applications. It's in your smartphone, your solar panels, and countless other devices you rely on every day. Silver powers the technology that drives our world. Industrial demand for silver is essential and growing, fueled by innovation in electronics, renewable energy, and medicine. Silver is consumed in tiny amounts across industries, often unrecoverable, putting pressure on global supplies. Once used, much of it is gone for good. So, when you think of silver, picture both the ancient coin and the high-tech microchip. It's a bridge between the past and the future. This dual role sets silver apart from gold and makes it a metal you can't afford to ignore. It's not just a relic or a luxury, it's a necessity. And that's why the squeeze on silver is only getting tighter, as demand rises and supply struggles to keep up. Silver is everywhere in our high-tech lives. Every computer, tablet, and smartphone relies on silver's unmatched conductivity. As more people connect and upgrade devices, industrial demand for silver keeps rising. The green energy revolution is supercharging this trend. Solar panels use silver paste in their photovoltaic cells. There's no cost-effective substitute. As solar installations surge, so does silver demand. Electric vehicles also need more silver than traditional cars, from batteries to sensors. With millions of EVs projected, automotive demand for silver is set to skyrocket. Silver's role extends to healthcare, water purification, and batteries. Our modern way of life and the shift to green tech depends on a steady, growing supply of silver. This isn't speculation, it's industrial reality. Silver is the metal of the future, woven into the fabric of progress. The takeaway: our technological world can't function without silver, and that's why its value is only set to rise. Let's look at what's happening right now. The world is using more silver than it's mining or recycling, creating a persistent deficit. Stockpiles in major exchanges like the LBMA and COMEX are dropping fast. Physical silver is being pulled out of the system. This disconnect between paper contracts and real metal is a red flag. Investment demand is surging, with retail investors buying up coins and bars, causing shortages and higher premiums. Countries like India are importing record amounts for both industry and investment. Meanwhile, political instability in top silver-producing nations threatens future supply. The result? A perfect storm: shrinking stockpiles, rising demand, and supply risks. All signs point to higher prices ahead. Silver's price is all about supply and demand. Most silver is mined as a byproduct of other metals, so supply can't quickly ramp up, even if prices soar. Industrial demand is relentless, driven by electronics, solar, and EVs. Companies can't substitute away from silver. They'll pay whatever it takes. Investment demand is the wild card. When fear rises, investors rush in, straining limited supply. In a squeeze, both industry and investors compete for the same ounces. The result? Not enough silver to go around unless prices rise sharply. This tight balance is setting the stage for a major price move. When both essential industry and anxious investors want silver, the market can only respond one way. That's why experts are watching silver's supply-demand equation so closely. The squeeze is real, and the price could move fast. Are you ready for it? Is silver cheap right now? Many experts say yes. The gold-to-silver ratio, a classic measure, shows silver is historically undervalued. Today, it takes about 80 ounces of silver to buy 1 ounce of gold, far above the long-term average. For the ratio to normalize, silver's price would need to rise dramatically. Silver's price hasn't kept up with other assets or the explosion in global money supply. It's lagged behind stocks, real estate, and even gold. Yet its industrial demand and supply constraints are stronger than ever. Silver's all-time high, adjusted for inflation, is over $150 per ounce. Today, it trades at a fraction of that. This disconnect is a rare opportunity for those paying attention. When the market wakes up, silver's price could catch up fast. That's why many see silver as a bargain hiding in plain sight. Why could silver's price explode? 3 powerful forces are converging. First, inflation. Governments are printing money, eroding your purchasing power. Silver protects against this. Second, the green tech revolution. Solar and EV demand is locked in and growing, but supply isn't keeping up. Third, global uncertainty. Economic and geopolitical instability drives investors to safe haven assets like silver. Each of these alone could push prices higher, but together, they create explosive potential. We're facing a monetary crisis, a technological revolution, and a crisis of confidence, all focused on one metal. The pressure is building beneath the surface. This isn't hype, it's about connecting the dots. When the dam breaks, silver's price could move fast and far. The only question is, will you be ready? The setup is unlike anything the silver market has seen before. Don't ignore the signs. So, what should you do when it comes to securing your financial future in a world full of uncertainty? Start by educating yourself. Don't act on hype, act on knowledge. Take the time to read, watch, and learn from credible sources so you can make informed decisions. Most people's wealth is tied up in paper assets like stocks and bonds, which can leave them exposed to inflation, market crashes, and economic uncertainty. Silver can act as financial insurance, helping to diversify and protect your portfolio from unexpected shocks. It's a tangible asset that holds value when other investments may falter. You don't need to go all in. Even a small allocation to silver can help stabilize your finances and provide peace of mind during turbulent times. When stocks fall, precious metals like silver often rise, smoothing out the bumps in your investment journey and offering a valuable hedge. You can own silver physically, coins or bars you can hold in your hand, or through silver-backed ETFs and other financial products that track the price of silver. Whatever you choose, do your homework and work with trusted sources. Consult a financial advisor if you're unsure, and always double-check the credibility of your information. The case for silver is built on powerful long-term trends in both technology and finance, making it a unique asset for the future. It's a story of shrinking supply and explosive demand as silver becomes more essential in modern industries and technology. Silver is both an ancient store of value and a key to our technological future, bridging the gap between history and innovation. Think carefully, act wisely, and consider how silver could play a role in securing your financial life for years to come. Being prepared is the smartest move you can make. Take action today to build a more resilient financial future. Let's recap. Silver is unique, both ancient money and a modern industrial powerhouse. Relentless demand and tight supply have created a structural deficit and shrinking stockpiles. Inflation, green tech, and global uncertainty are all pushing silver's value higher. These aren't short-term trends, they're massive long-term shifts. Silver is one of the most undervalued assets today. The question, will you be prepared or will you watch from the sidelines? The choice is yours. Subscribe to Tech Monetize Official for more insights. Be strong, be smart, and secure your future.